Will Michael Leachin lose his controlling stake in NCB? That's the question shaking up the Caribbean financial world right now. He is currently in a high-stake showdown with bondholders who have issued a firm ultimatum. Come up with $94 million by December 31st, 2025, or risk losing more than 1 billion shares in the NCB financial group. If you're invested in the Jamaica stock market, or you just follow big money moves, you need to understand exactly what is happening. Let's break it down. If you want more videos like this, please hit that like and subscribe to the channel right now. It will really help the community grow. Plus, you will receive notification when we release more content like this in the future. Here is the situation. 3 of Michael Leachin's company, AIC Barbados, Portland Barbados, and the Specialty Coffee Investment Company, currently owe more than $365 million to bondholders. These loans were not unsecured. They were backed by a massive piece of collateral, just over 1 billion NCB Financial Group shares. That represents about 40% of the bank's stock, and well, is essentially Michael Leachin's controlling interest in the institution. Because Leachin used these shares as collateral and he has reportedly missed several payments, the outstanding debt has ballooned to that $364 million figure. And naturally, the people waiting for their money, the bondholders of course, are running out of patience. Enter the bondholder committee, led by Sagicor CEO Chris Zaka. They have put a deal on the table to give Leachin more time, but it comes with a heavy price tag up front. To get the extension, Leachin must pay $94 million immediately. This covers about, I think, 19 million in overdue interest, and it pays down about 75 million of the principal debt. Bondholders from 14 separate note issues have been voting on whether to approve the deal, with the process expected to wrap up by about December 15th. If the vote passes and the checks clears, here's what happens next. Leachin keeps his title. The NCB shares go into a legal lockbox until the full debt is cleared in 2027, and any dividends from those shares get redirected straight to pay off the interest. But here is the scary part. This deal reportedly includes a strict no flexibility clause. It is a slip or you slide situation. If he misses that 94 million payment, there is no more room to negotiate. The NCB shares could be seized and sold off. Now, why does this matter to you? Because NCB is one of Jamaica's largest financial institutions. A forced sale of that magnitude, it wouldn't just hurt a billionaire. It could shake the entire stock market, rattle investor confidence, and create ripples across the Caribbean region. Now, this is a developing story that could change the face of ownership in Caribbean banking. We will keep you updated as we get closer to that December 31st deadline. But I want to hear from you. Do you think Leachin will make the payment in time? Let me know in the comments below. Watch the video on screen now to check out another Jamaican financial story. Catch you in the next video.